Hello everybody, my name is Valentina and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're gonna test TikTok makeup hacks and we're gonna see if they work or if they don't. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first makeup hack that we're gonna try out is about foundation. Okie dokie. I'm gonna do moisturizer. Then I'm getting one of these disposable sponges. As a loose powder, I'm using the Laura Mercier loose powder and I'm just dabbing it. If you have already a dry skin, don't do this. Then it says to do the setting spray. And then it says to put on primer. Normally I do not put on primer. For the sake of trying out the hack properly, I'm gonna put on primer. As primer today, I'm gonna use the Baby Skin Pore Eraser. This is a great dupe for the Benefit Professional primer. Foundation, I'm using the Max Factor Radiant Lift Long Lasting Radiance. Feels very, very heavy. We're gonna do brows. I got some Pear soap and I got the clear one. I don't know what she means with prime your eyebrows. I never prime my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go straight with the soap. And I'm rubbing the spoolie in the soap and I'm gonna brush my eyebrows upwards. I think this is a technique that works very well if you don't have particularly dense eyebrows. As a brow product, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in dark brown. She starts filling her eyebrows from the bottom, which is the exact opposite than what I normally do. No way. She does concealer first. So weird. I'm taking the e.l.f. concealer and then she basically just brush it slightly at the top. She sort of finishes the eyebrows. For the top, I'm really holding my brush towards the end so I can apply the least pressure possible. And I'm getting the hairspray and I'm spraying my finger and I'll just dab. I didn't spray hairspray in my eyebrows since I was a teenager. It's not my favorite way to fill in my eyebrows. Not a big fan, but we're trying things out. Over to concealer. This more than a hack is common sense. I am going to mix two concealers. The main reason is because I didn't have a great night last night, so I'm putting a bit of a darker one to sort of fight the purple in my under eye, and then I'm putting a brighter one to brighten up the under eye. It's going like this, and then like this, and then put this on top, and then we're highlighting the forehead, the nose, and the chin. This is what I say all the time: just don't use too much of a product, or if you want to use a lot, just don't do it all together, because obviously it's easier to add than to take off, and if you want to keep adding, you can keep adding. Even if I have a lot of powder on my face already, I'm gonna put a little bit to set my under eye. I'm using the same powder that I used under the foundation. I didn't find any hacks for eyeshadows, so I'm gonna do my eyes quickly and then I'll be right back. I'm looking at myself in the mirror, and the texture that I have on the nose is unbelievable. Anyway, moving on. I've done the eye look. It's pretty simple because I want to do eyeliner, so that's our next hack. So I won't be able to show this hack because it doesn't let me download it. Basically, we'll take a disposable sponge like this one. We'll cut the corner and we'll make a sort of a flick stem. The actual hack says that you need a Q-tip and super glue, and then you glue the Q-tip to the flick stem. I don't have super glue at home at the moment, so we'll use tweezers, and we'll make our flick stem, and I'm coating it properly. I think this is a massive waste of eyeliner. Let's see, it's proper coated, so just have to find the right angle. Please be good, please be good. I'm not impressed. Let's see what we can do. Alright, let's start doing that line. I've got the feeling that now I'm gonna do a very Amy Winehouse line. Oh, oh, this is way more dramatic than what I thought I was going for. This is very Amy Winehouse, no jokes. This is getting a bit out of hand. On the video, she made it look like you literally go like bam, and then you just do the line and connect the flick. There is no way. It's okay. We're going dramatic today. I'll make a video where I'll show you how I used to do my eyeliner at the beginning. I'm gonna leave this eyeliner as it is because it's really making me upset, and if I elongate it a little bit more, it's gonna end up in my temple. Moving on to bronzer. The only hack, to be honest, that I found about the bronzer is the free shape hack that I think is a pretty well-known hack about bronzer. I'm getting the Morphe bronzer. Free shaping means that you're going from the temple down your cheekbone, and then from under your cheekbone you go on your jaw, and there you hit basically the right spots, and then we blend. For blush, again, I didn't find any hack. I always hear people go like, oh, I won't do cream blusher because it's very difficult to blend. So I'll show you a way that is not gonna make it as difficult, and it's just super easy. This is really super easy. I'll get with this part of my hand. Is it clean? Yes. I'll get in the product, I'll dab the excess on the back of my hand, and then you smile, and with that part you basically hit your cheek and you blend upwards. You can take your sponge and blend the edges. After I saw my husband able to do my makeup with his left hand, now I'm trying to put an effort in using my left hand as well. I like cream blusher, especially now, because it just gives you that sort of dewiness and the fresh look. And then I'll get my brush again. My brush. I can't talk today, I do apologize. I'll get my sponge again, and blend the edges. For highlighter, I'm using the Mary Luminizer by the Balm. I did forget about this highlighter. We're almost there. Moving on to lips. I'm gonna line my lip first. I've just realized I forgot to show you the actual hack. I'll get my lighter. So this is probably the easiest hack that I've tried out of all of them. Nice. It's a nice red. For the eyelashes, we will need a hair dryer as well. I don't know how my eyes will cope with having air getting into them, but we're still gonna give it a try. She used the Roller Lashes mascara. I don't have that one. This one has quite a curling effect. She's saying to keep it on cool temperature, so okay, let's close our eyes and let's give it a go. I don't know for how long I'm supposed to keep that thing under my eye, but it's really uncomfortable, so I think that is just as much as I can do. Okay, let's do it on the other side. Oh, my hair! I actually put an effort this morning to do my hair. Excuse me. I mean, I washed it. I don't see that much difference, to be honest. What do you guys think? I think they look pretty good before as well. Last but not least, we have a hack about setting spray as well. Where is it? No, I don't have it. Where is it gone? Basically, you use a tanning spray to set your makeup, and it's gonna last till the end of the day, so it's gonna last way longer than using a normal setting spray. The lady on the video had a Saint-Tropez one. I have this Soleil by Superdrug, and it says Tan Booster Spray. Let's give it a go. Smell is powerful. It smells like summer, to be honest. That's nice. And this is it for today's video, guys. So these are all the hacks that I found on TikTok and I wanted to try. The foundation one is definitely a no. I don't like the effect that it does on my skin, how it makes my skin feel. I don't like how it makes my skin look. It's already all cakey on the nose. There's a lot of texture around my nose. I don't like it. The eyeliner, I don't talk about it. What an experience. Maybe if I had the super glue and the Q-tip, it would have worked better. I highly doubt it. Or maybe I just should have done a smaller flick, so it would have been a bit more manageable. If you really want a stamp, just go online and get a nice stamp. Eyebrows, not my favorite way to do my eyebrows, to be honest. These techniques with the soap, because they give more texture to the eyebrows, they're good if you have very sparse eyebrows. I think because I have already like kind of thick eyebrows, they're sparse in certain ways, but because I used to overplack when I was younger, overall they're very thick, so I don't think that using the soap make any difference. For the lips, that's an interesting technique. There's no better way to match your lip liner to your lipstick, because you're literally taking it from the same thing. Just be careful, I burned myself. For the eyelashes, that thing of the hair dryer, I didn't like it. My eyes are very sensitive, so to be honest, I couldn't resist too long. Maybe if I was going to resist longer, it would have given a better lift. If you have sensitive eyes, I don't think is the best idea. Let me know if you know any other makeup hacks, not necessarily from TikTok. I don't get TikTok. I'm not on TikTok. I don't get the whole hype about TikTok. I heard a thing about being a TikTok dancer. That apparently is a thing now. I had no idea. That's how old I am. This is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to ring the bell so you're gonna be notified every time I do upload a new one. And subscribe to the channel, share the video, go and follow me on Instagram, join the Facebook page, all of those nice things. Have a great day, Stay home, stay healthy, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!